1 seat apart. That's now the required distance between passengers taking public transport. The Interagency Task Force has already approved reduced physical distancing rules in PUVs. This means jeepneys, buses, trains, and other public transport can take in more passengers. Their main goal is to further revive the economy from the crisis due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This will allow more workers like heavy equipment operator Ray Molino to go to work more often.
Okay na yun, para yung iba din, dahil nahirapan nga mag-commute para rin.
It is but necessary to make sure na yung bilang ng ating pampublikong transportasyon ay magko-compensate dun sa bilang ng mga workers na lalabas.
Passengers may even be allowed to sit beside each other provided there are plastic barriers separating them. If the barriers are not available, ultraviolet light may be used for disinfection. Some drivers like Jerry Tadeo welcome the new rules as it will increase his daily income. The 43-year-old had a daily take-home income of 800 pesos before the pandemic. Now he has to make do with 300 pesos daily income for his 9 children.
Mas maganda nga kasi medyo tapos sa pag-uwi sa bahay, tamang-tama lang yung napupunta sa diesel .
Transportation Assistant Secretary Goddess Libiran says the new rules are immediately effective. This will be formalized in guidelines that will be published in the government's official gazette. The LTFRB, meanwhile, has recently reopened 44 more routes, allowing 5,000 drivers to operate. The agency says half of all jeepneys in Metro Manila are now back on the road. The IATF, however, says they will continue to strictly monitor their compliance to health standards.
Since na merong guidance na yan, mas madali actually sa amin ipatupad yan kaysa magsusukot pa tayo ng isang metro. Kasi doon sa 1 seat apart, makikita mo lang na may bakat na yun, okay na siya.
Despite the relaxed physical distancing rules, you are still advised to properly wear your face mask and face shield. Don't talk and eat while inside the vehicle. Drivers must also provide enough ventilation. Always properly disinfect their units and never allow patients with flu-like symptoms. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.